Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to speed up your video in DaVinci Resolve. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is ensure that you have a clip in your timeline, and then you're just on the editing tab, so it's the third one. Once you're on there, it's very simple. You just have to click on the clip. Just make sure that you see the red bar around the clip. So make sure you do that, right click on it, and then just go to change clip speed. And then in change clip speed, you can decide what you want the clip to be changed to. So let's just say 200 for now. And then we click on change. And then you see it shrinks a lot, obviously, because it is getting a lot faster. So it's a shorter clip. But that's how easy it is to change your clip. Another thing to point out as well is if you just cut the clip and you just want to change the speed of just one clip, just make sure that you you clip both the sound and the video, and then you just go ahead and click on it like you did before, and right click and go over to it again, change clip speed. And then if you want to make that portion faster and leave the second portion that you originally edited at a different speed or normal speed, you just clip it and then you change the speed just like this, and just make sure that you click on the stretch to fit option and click on change. And then as you see, it just edits it like that. It makes it a lot easier. So now you have two different speeds like that, and it's all organized and put together. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.